SmartSense is sponsored by A+ Federal Credit Union.
Welcome to SmartSense. In a seller's market, there can be some really stiff competition when it comes to buying a home, but here with some tips for home buyers is Priscilla from A+ Federal Credit Union.
Before searching for a home, I recommend you get a loan pre-approval. This can help ensure you qualify for the mortgage, know how much you can afford, and speed up the closing process.
Any other suggestions?
Consider working with a real estate agent who knows the area, can negotiate on your behalf. In a competitive market, they'll likely suggest you put your best offer in and be flexible with the sellers.
But what happens when home buyers' bids don't get accepted?
I'd say don't be discouraged. Your dream home is out there somewhere. It just may take multiple bids.
Okay, fingers crossed. Okay, Priscilla, thank you so much for joining us. To learn more about buying a home, visit aplusfcu.org/smartsense.